To download the Donohue Real Estate app from an iPhone, just go to the App Store and search for Donohue Real Estate. Remember, there are no A's in Donohue. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be able to sign up as a user and start searching for properties right away. Once you've downloaded the app, you will be able to see all of the listings that are available near you. You can also use the top magnifying glass section to search for a city, zip code, or specific address. If you pull up a specific address, you will then be able to view all of the photos that are associated with that listing. You can also contact your agent directly about that particular property. You can see all of the information about that property, the description, and even write notes. You can see the history of the house, your activity, and the estimated mortgage. It will also show you a map and the schools nearby and how they are rated. You can click Schedule a Viewing to contact your agent and choose a date and time that is best for you. Once you've requested your viewing, click Done. Your agent will then receive that request and they will be able to contact you to schedule a showing. If you click the little chat bubble next to the heart at the top of the page, you will be able to chat with your agent and send them specific properties that you're looking at. Using the Donohue Real Estate app to search for properties will allow you to save your favorite homes, get the most up-to-date alerts when there is a status or price change, and easily communicate with your agent. We hope this makes your home buying experience smooth and seamless. Happy searching!